Hello. So I have been asked to change the wording around a little bit. So instead of having less and then the time, I put the time that was less in brackets now. And another question I've been asked is to add up all the numbers that is in the bracket. That is actually quite hard because all of these are text. So I have to do a helper column to add the text. So I'm gonna yeah, add the number. So the column is called sum up. So what it will do, it will go through the text. If it um if it comes across a bracket, it will extract the numbers out, and then at the top it will sum up all of this. So all you have to do is copy this and then Control Shift V across. So this person haven't had any time that was less, and this one as well. And once you finish, you can just delete it like this, like this. Now I actually thought maybe I can actually do it even better. Forget about making comparison. So I'm just going to do a Master Tab C here. Now, because I've done that, I know everything is in the perfect position. So I've actually done the experimentation in another spreadsheet already, and it worked. So what I would do is I would literally just copy and paste the formula across. Whoops, Control Z, and I'm just going to copy and paste. I actually find it hard to work and talk at the same time. But ground floor is actually quite easy because there isn't a lot of partition. So I'm just going to make this a bit smaller and then scroll and do all the sum. So what it will do is this tab is going to look at master tab B, and then it will actually just add up. Let me make this a bit bigger so you can see. All it will do is just add up everybody like this. But at the same time, I'm going to remove all the formulas because you don't want like too many formulas, and I will leave just one just on here. Control C, Control Shift V, just leaving the remnant. And now because I've done this, you know that this is going to be in the perfect position. Okay, Control and then arrow key, Control Shift arrow key, and then copy. Go to here, Control Shift V. So there you have it. This is actually the amount of time. And of course, you can actually do a formula just here, sum formula. Oops, sum formula. And then from this point onwards until the end, enter. And then it will tell you how much time that is less, just like this. Yeah, I'll keep Master Tab C for you so that you can actually have a look at it. But all the formulas will be removed except for one column, just in case you need to reuse it again. That is same as the 955 as well. The 955, all the formulas have been removed except a couple. So this line hasn't been removed, and these two lines haven't been removed. That means it's going to run a bit faster for you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.